Welcome back, family. We're at Dollar General for an amazing week of deals. We're going to talk about some deals you guys can do all week long, starting June 1st through June 7th. And we're going to talk about some deals you're going to be doing on Saturday, June 7th only. Yes, we've got some food deals mixed in with this too, so you want to stay tuned. If you guys can please smash that like button and drop any kind of comment that you want down below. I would love y'all forever. Let's get started. Of course, my store ain't got what we need. Why would they have what we need? So what I'm looking for is the lemon heads. They're in I'll just show you guys here. They're in a yellow pack. If you guys ever had these, they're really good. So it's the 3 ounce for $1. You've got this Shopkick offer, so we're gonna get back 450 kicks per pack, and you guys can see this offers actually a limit of 3. So if your store only has 1 pack, get 1 pack. If they got 2, get 2 packs. If they got 3, get up to 3 packs. We're gonna be turning this into a moneymaker. So remember, regarding Shopkicks, 250 shop kicks equal $1. So if we're getting back 450 kicks, we're gonna take that divided by the 250. We're getting back $1.80 per lemon head rope pack. Okay, so if we get 3 packs, we're getting back $5.40 on Shopkick, which is gonna make these a $2.40 moneymaker. If you guys are new to Shopkick, I'm gonna have it linked on the Google Doc in the description box below. You guys can sign up there. And I think you guys will get an extra like $2 when you sign up with my link. The next all week long deal, it's another food deal, is regarding the Frito-Lay. So we've got this $4 off coupon. It says save $4 when you buy 1 Pepsi beverage and 1 Frito-Lay. So when I scan these smaller Frito-Lay dips for $3.30, it looks like it's attaching. So what we can do is pick up one of these for $3.30, and then we're gonna grab a Pepsi product. I noticed that the Grape Crush is gonna be working with this coupon, the $4 off coupon. When I scan it, it's attaching fine. This one is $1.95. So if we grab this grape for $1.95 with the $3.30 Frito, our total is $5.25, but we're taking off $4 for our coupon, so we would pay $1.25 total for both items. You guys have this Fetch Rewards offer, 1,000 points per $1 on the Pepsi Zero Sugar 20 ounce bottle. So this is a redemption of 2, and I believe the 20 ounce bottles of Pepsi are on sale this week. 2 for $4 I saw on the Dollar General app. I just need to find them. They're probably up at the front at the register, but if they're on sale 2 for $4 and we're getting back 1,000 points per dollar spent, that means we would be getting back 4,000 points and getting those Pepsis for completely free. Found these up front in the cooler. They are 2 for $4, and they seem to be attaching to this $2 off when you spend 14 on Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and Gatorade. So if you wanted to pair it in with that, you could. But if we pay, like I said, $4 for these two, this offers a limit of 2 on Fetch, we would be getting $4 back. These would be completely free. We also have this $3 off when we buy 4 Cheez-It, Club, Townhouse, and Pringles items. So if you guys have these little packs up at the front, these Cheez-It to-go packs, if you can find 4 of them, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we only got 3. That's close enough. Okay, so if you guys can find 4 of these at $1.25 each, and then we save $3 off of that, the total would be $5, but getting $3 off, we would end up paying $2 for the 4, or 50 cents per pack. I also have this 2,750 Fetch point offer when we buy 3 General Mills fruit snacks. So here at Dollar General, if you guys can find these little Mott's, the 3 count boxes, if we pick up 3 of them, you guys can see they're $1 each. Grabbing 3 will bring us up to $3, but if we're getting back $2.75 on Fetch Rewards, final cost for these would be just 25 cents total for the 3. Okay, we're out of the food section now. Check this out. So these Aspercream patches, they're $2.50. We've got this $2.50 offer on Ibotta. It's a limit of 5. That would make this completely free. Now, my store only has 1 in stock, but that's okay. It's good enough to show you guys what's going on. So we would get back $2.50 on Ibotta for that, making it free. Or if you guys would rather have the Dollar General cash back, you guys can also do this deal on the Dollar General app, getting DG cash back, also a limit of 5. Now, you will not get cash back for the DG cash and Ibotta. You would have to pick either or. So we're over here in the travel section. We've got another freebie and like small money maker. Okay, so you guys see these cute little gold bonds right here? These little tiny gold bonds. So these are a 1 ounce. Look how cute this little thing is. So these are only $1, but they're attaching to $1.50 offer on Ibotta. limit of 5. So if your store has a lot like mine does, you could actually pick up 5 of them. Your total out of pocket would be $5, but you would get back $7.50 because we're getting back $1.50 for each item. You guys can, like I said, do that one on Ibotta, or like we did with the Asper cream. If you would rather submit for the DG cash back, you could do that as well. It's also a limit of 5 over here. Okay, next we're going to be working on some Saturday deals. So we're going to be doing this $10 back when we spend $30 on select P&G products. Remember, this is going to come back to you in the form of a coupon, and after you check out, it will automatically show up in the clipped coupon section of your Dollar General app. So we're going to be stacking this $10 back for spending $30 with our 5 off 25 for Saturday, which means we need to have at least $30 before coupons, before tax worth of select P&G products that work with that 10 off 30 coupon. So I'm going to give you guys a lecture. Scan every single item. Scan the barcode of every single item that you're getting, because we need to make sure it's not only attaching to our manufacturer coupons that we're using, but it's also attaching to that $10 back for spending $30. Because, for example, a lot of these Febreze carbon clips are not attaching to that $10 back for spending $30. Like this one I just scanned is not, but that's the only option that I have to show you guys for the video. So this is the one I'm going to show you guys. But I do know the blue and white one is. When I looked on the app, the blue and white Febreze car clip is. We've got a $2 manufacturer coupon, and the one you're getting needs to attach to the $10 back. Grab a Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $3 and clip your $1 coupon, and you can see it's attaching to the $10. Let's grab one of the Gain Happy Flings for $15.95. These are not $19.95. They're sitting in the wrong spot. They are $15.95. These are going to be a 32 count, so one of the big boys. So for these, we've got a $4 Dollar General store coupon and a $2.05 manufacturer coupon. This $4 and the $2, they will stack and work together. And we're also going to be stacking this $4 Dollar General store coupon with the $10 back in the form of a coupon when we spend $30 on P&G and the 5 off 25. And we're going to talk more about how that works here in just a second once we get all of our items. We also need a Tide Power Pods, the $9.95 packs. My store does not have any. They're usually sitting right up here. My store doesn't have any. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to pick up one of the smaller packs for $5.50, but please keep in mind, you need the larger ones at $9.95. For our Tide Power Pods, we're going to be using 2 digital coupons. Keep in mind, you have to get the bigger one that's $9.95, not this one for $5.50. The bigger one that's $9.95, we've got this $2.05 digital coupon, and we also have this $2 Dollar General store coupon. And yes, we're going to be stacking that like we did with the $4 Gain Dollar General store coupon. We're stacking those both with our $10 back. We're going to talk about that. Next, we're going to pick up the Dawn Platinum Easy Dish Squeeze. So these are $4.95. My store did have a few, but it doesn't look like they have any right now. So I'm going to pick up these. But keep in mind, it's going to be the bigger one. These are a little bit smaller. You want to grab the ones that are $4.95, and we have a $2 digital coupon, and it's attaching to our $10 back. All right, y'all. So total for everything right here is $37.20. You might be wondering, Stephanie, why are we so much over that $30 mark for the $10 coupon? Well, because we've got 2 Dollar General store coupons that we're going to be using, we cannot count those dollar amounts towards that $30 mark. So one of those DG store coupons, remember, is for the Gain Happy Flings. So this $4 Dollar General store coupon cannot count towards the $30 threshold. The other DG store coupon is, remember, this $2 off for the Tide Power Pods. So we've got $4 and $2. That's $6 that we cannot count towards that $30 threshold. So we would need to be at least $36 before coupons and before tax. And like I said, our total is $37.20. So we're taking off the 5 off 25 for Saturday. All the other coupons that we have talked about, we're going to pay you guys $17.10, but we're getting back that $10 coupon. Final cost for everything is going to be $7.10 or $1.42 per item. $7.10. This is the bigger $9.95 pack. We're getting the bigger Dawn, the Febreze, the Crest, and this big pack of Gain Flings for $7.10. Okay, let's do another P&G deal, getting $10 back for spending $30. For this one, we want to pick up another one of the Crest Pro Health for $3. And don't forget to clip your $1 coupon. We also need a Safeguard hand soap that my store obviously does not have. So for the sake of the video, we're going to pick up this Dial and pretend like it is Safeguard. For this baby, we want to go ahead and clip this 50-cent digital. All right, moms and dads, yes, the deal is for you. So we're picking up one of the large packs of the Loves. So this is the big boy. Depending on what size you get, will vary on how many diapers are in here. But we want one of these big, huge boxes. These at my store are $23.50. $23.50 for the diapers, plus the $3 for the Crest and the $3.50 for the Safeguard. We are at $30 even. Okay, so we're taking off the 5 off 25 for Saturday. We've got the $5 digital coupon for the Love's box of diapers, 50 cents for the Safeguard, and $1 for the Crest toothpaste. We also have this $10 back for spending 30. So we're gonna pay $18.50, but we're getting that $10 coupon back. Final cost for everything is gonna be $8.50. Another $10 back for spending 30 on P&G. So first thing we're gonna do is pick up the ZZ Quill for $4.35, and we're gonna be clipping this $2 manufacturer coupon. This is gonna be the 8 count pack. I also wanna throw in either one of the Charmin 6 equals 27 roll for $9.95 with a $1 digital coupon. Or if you guys would rather grab the Bounty, it's the 4 equals 8 roll paper towels, you can. We also have a $1 digital coupon for these as well. So pick up one or the other. Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I just found. One of these is just sitting in the wrong spot. So this is what we need for our deals. It's the $4.95 Dawn Platinum Easy Squeeze. And we need to clip that $2 coupon. Also getting the $5.50 pack of Tide Power Pods again, this $2.05 coupon. And we're gonna pick up one of the Gain Flings, the $4.50 pack, and clip a $1.55 manufacturer coupon. Okay, y'all, so I'm looking for the single Bounty paper towel, Bounty Essentials, the $1 pack, and it's a single roll. I should have known better than to think my store was gonna have that shit, because we ain't got it, okay? We don't got it over these ways. If you guys do have a store that has them, please let me know where they're at in the store. Are they on like an end cap, or are they supposed to be in the regular section? So for the sake of the video, what I'm gonna do, just to show you guys a item description, I'm gonna pick up one of these dollar packs of off-brand paper towels. Remember, you need the Bounty, and you're gonna clip that 50-cent coupon. If your store does not carry the single rolls of Bounty, you're gonna need a $1 filler item. That's what this Bounty is gonna be for this deal, is a filler item. If your store does not have it, find a $1 filler item that's a P&G item, like these Crest toothpaste, that you can stack with the $10 back for spending 30 on P&G to make sure you get to your $30 mark. All right, total for everything is $30.25. We're taking off the 5 off 25 for Saturday. All the other coupons that we've talked about, we're gonna pay $16.15, but like I said, we're getting back the $10 for spending 30 on P&G. Final cost, $6.15 for all the items. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $6.15. All right, y'all, up next, we're gonna be working on this 3 for $10 offer on select Gain products, and we're gonna be stacking this with a 5 off 25 for Saturday. In order to do that, the 3 for $10 offer, that needs to come off of your total in the form of a coupon. And since it's a Dollar General store coupon, we cannot account for that discount towards our $25 total for the 5 off 25 for Saturday. So we're gonna talk about how to calculate that in just a second. So first, we're picking up one of the Gain Flings for $4.50. For this specific deal, remember, we are counting the full price of the item towards our threshold. So we've got these for $4.50. We're clipping a $1.55 manufacturer coupon. Next, we're gonna grab one of the Gain dryer sheets for $4.50. This one is attaching to a $1.55 manufacturer coupon and also attaching to the 3 for $10 offer. Now we need to pick up one of the Gain softeners for $4.50. And this is why it is so important to scan your items, because look, this is not attaching to the manufacturer coupon for $1.55. This one is not attaching to the manufacturer coupon for $1.55, and neither is that one with the newer packaging. So I'm not sure what's going on over here, but when I scan this big old package looking one, it is attaching to the $1.55 offer, but these are not attaching to the 3 for $10 General Store offer. Be very careful when you guys are picking up your Gain items. I'm gonna have to do this for the sake of the video. There might be some other Gain in here somewhere, but for right now, we're gonna grab this. We're adding $4.50, $4.50, and $4.50. Each one of these items has a $1.55 manufacturer coupon, and each one of these items is going to be working with the 3 for $10 offer that's going to come off as a form of a coupon. So if we take $4.50 times 3, we've got $13.50 here towards our total. We're also going to be throwing in the 4 Cheez-It grab and go with this deal. My store doesn't have 4, so I'm just going to show you guys the 3. But remember, like we talked about at the beginning of the video, we've got this $3 coupon when we buy 4. Did you guys notice that we have a new $4 coupon for the Airwick wall warmer? Yeah, We do, but it's been a minute. It's been a few weeks, I think, since we've had one of these $4 digital coupons, and my store still doesn't have them back in stock. They're gone in the wind, y'all. So I'm not going to put one in with the video right now, but just know you need one of those for $4. Hopefully you guys have some in stock. We also want to add in any Febreze car vent clip that you want towards this deal, because we're not working on the $10 back coupon, so we don't need to worry about whether it's attaching to that $10. What we need to worry about is if it's attaching to the $2 manufacturer coupon, and it is. We also want to throw in with this a $3 Colgate toothbrush, and we're going to be clipping a $2 digital coupon. All right, party people, total is $28.85 for everything. Now, how are we going to calculate this 3 for $10 offer on the Gain items? The normal price for the Gain is $4.50 each. Total for our Gain items before any coupons is $13.50. But if we've got this offer that says 3 for $10, that means we're taking off a coupon worth $3.50. And since this 3 for $10 offer is a Dollar General store coupon, we need to increase our total from the $25 threshold up another $3.50. So we need to be at least $28.50. And like I said right here, we're at $28.85. Okay, so we're taking off the 5 off 25 for Saturday, $3.50 for the 3 for $10 products, $4 for the Wick, $3 on buying 4 Cheez-It, $2 for the Colgate, $2 for the Febreze, and a $1.55 manufacturer coupon for each one of our Gain items. I love this deal, you guys. Okay, so $4.70 total, or 47 cents per item. All right, we're gonna be working on another regular 5 off 25 for Saturday. I'm looking for the Max Fresh Colgate toothpaste. We don't have any, but that would be the best bang for the buck, is to grab 3 of the Colgate Max Fresh for $3.25. And we're gonna clip this $7 off 3 digital coupon. We're also throwing in a $4 Mr. Clean, and we're clipping a $1 coupon. We need a $4.50 Fabuloso with a $1 coupon. Grab a $5 pack of the Finish Powerball. These are an 18 count. Clip a $2 coupon. We also need an Ajax for $2.25. My store only gets the big ones or the really small ones, so just for pretend, we're picking up this one for $2.25, clipping a $1 coupon. Total for everything is $25.50. We're taking off the 5 off 25 for Saturday. All of our coupons, we're going to pay $8.50 or $1.21 per item. We're doing another 5 off 25 for Saturday. We need the Wick Advanced Wall Plug. We don't have any. I'm just going to show you guys this one for pretend, but you need to get the one that's in the black box like this. It's $4, and we've got that $4 coupon. Grab the Gain Happy Flings, again for $15.95. Clip your $4 Dollar General store coupon and the $2.05 manufacturer. Grab a Gain Ultra Oxy Liquid for $9.95 and clip your $2 Dollar General store coupon and the $1.55 manufacturer. Grab a Febreze bathroom small space for $3.25 and clip this $2 coupon. If you guys' store doesn't have the bathroom small spaces, or you'd rather have the Febreze car clip, you guys can mix and match with those because it's the same $2 digital coupon. Total for the 2 Gain, the Febreze, and the little Wick, we're at $33.15. Well, Stephanie, why are we at $33 when we only need to spend $25 for the 5 off 25 for Saturday? Well, don't forget, we've got that $4 Dollar General store coupon for the Gain Happy and the $2 Dollar General store coupon for the Gain Liquid. So that's $6 that we cannot count towards our $25 total. So if we take 25 plus an additional $6, we're at 31. So we need to be at least $31 before coupons for all of this to go. And we are, because we're at $33.15. So we're taking off all the coupons we've talked about. We're going to pay just $12.55 or $3.13 per item. It's a really great price. Our next deal is only going to be using a 5 off 25 for Saturday, so we do not need to worry about spending $30 worth of P&G. We're only using the regular 5 off 25 for Saturday. The draft. So let's grab one of the draft liquids. These are $10. Wow, $10.50. And what is this, a 46 ounce? That is wild. $10.50 for a 46 ounce draft. It seems a little excessive. So for this, we're going to be clipping a $3.05 manufacturer coupon. Then we're grabbing the Tide Power Pods again. This time we are going to get the smaller one for $5.50. We're going to be using this $2.05 manufacturer coupon. We want to pick up the Dawn Easy Squeeze Platinum again for $4.95. Again, we're going to be clipping that $2 manufacturer coupon. We also need a $3.50 Safeguard hand soap. My store obviously doesn't have any. So just for pretend, we'll pick up this dial, but we need to use the Safeguard with our 50-cent coupon. We're not quite right at $25. So we're gonna pick up anything that you guys want in the $1 aisle. Pick up one of these, the window clean. This baby is $1. And adding that to our total, we're at $25.45. All right, we're taking off our 5 off 25 for Saturday, and all the other coupons that we've talked about. Final cost for everything right here is going to be $12.85. Okay, family, this is just some example items that you guys can get on Saturday or throughout the week. Let me know in the comments what you guys are planning to grab at Dollar General this week and on Saturday, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.